So this has been on the slow cooker now for probably the better part of about 20 hours on and off. I started cooking it last night when it was like solid lumps of meat, and there were vegetables and everything in there. And over the past 20 hours, it has basically reduced down to this. Now the meat there were still a few chunks. Sorry about the steam there, not much I can do about that. But the meat just basically disintegrated. I took some of it out earlier and shredded it up a little bit further with a fork and all that, but I really didn't need to because it already had pretty much fallen apart, and it is like beyond tender. So this is a beef cheek ragu with some red wine in there, and you've got celery, and you've got a few other bits and pieces in there. Overall, it came out really, really well.